Hey everyone, and welcome to our ultimate travel guide to Warsaw, Poland. I'm so excited to show you this awesome city. Warsaw is full of history and culture, and it's quickly becoming one of the best places to visit in Europe. Over the next few minutes, we'll check out the coolest landmarks and things to do in Warsaw. From the charming old town to the powerful Warsaw Uprising Museum, there's something for everyone here. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's travel back in time and walk the cobblestone streets of Warsaw's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These streets have witnessed centuries of history from medieval times to the present day. Imagine walking past colorful buildings, each with its own story, some dating back to the 1200s. The vibrant facades tell tales of resilience and rebirth, especially after the destruction of World War II. Grab a coffee or a traditional Polish pastry at a cozy cafe. These charming spots are perfect for taking a break and soaking in the atmosphere. You might even find a street musician playing some fun polka music. Their melodies add a lively soundtrack to your exploration. The architecture here is amazing, with beautiful details everywhere you look. From intricate carvings to grand facades, every corner has something unique to offer. As you explore, you'll find yourself in the center of the Old Town, called Market Square. This bustling hub is the heart of the area, filled with shops, restaurants, and history. Look for the Warsaw Mermaid statue, the city's protector, standing proudly in the square. This iconic symbol has watched over the city for centuries. From the Royal Castle to St. John's Cathedral, the Old Town is full of history and beauty. These landmarks are must-see attractions that showcase the rich cultural heritage of Warsaw. So put on your comfy shoes, grab a map, and get ready to fall in love with this charming part of the city. Every step you take here is a step through history, making it an unforgettable experience. The Royal Castle is a big part of the Warsaw skyline, standing tall and proud in the heart of the city. And it's more than just a beautiful building, it's a symbol of resilience and history. It represents Poland's strength, having been destroyed and rebuilt many times throughout the centuries. When you go inside, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time to when Polish kings and queens lived there, ruling the land. Walk through fancy rooms filled with amazing art and furniture, each piece telling a story of its own. Make sure to climb the tower for incredible views of the city, a sight that will take your breath away. From up there you can see the Vistula River and how the old and new buildings fit together, creating a unique blend of history and modernity. The Royal Castle reminds us of Poland's tough past and its strong spirit, standing as a testament to the nation's enduring legacy. Take a break from the city and relax in Łazienki Park, Warsaw's green heart. This expansive park offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. This huge park is a breath of fresh air and a great place to enjoy nature. With its vast green spaces, it provides a perfect setting for leisurely strolls and family outings. Walk along paths shaded by trees, smell the flowers, and maybe even rent a rowboat for a relaxing ride on the lake. The park's tranquil atmosphere makes it an ideal spot for unwinding. As you explore, you'll find beautiful buildings like the Palace on the Isle. This historic palace adds a touch of elegance and history to the park's natural beauty. Look out for the park's peacocks. They add a touch of fun to the surroundings. These colorful birds are a delightful sight for visitors of all ages. Łazienki Park is a true escape, a place to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature right in the middle of the city. Whether you're picnicking with friends or simply soaking in the scenery, it's a perfect urban retreat. Now, let's visit a place for quiet reflection, the Warsaw Uprising Museum. This museum tells the sad but important story of the 1944 uprising, when everyday people fought against Nazi control. You'll learn about this important time in history through interactive displays, personal stories, and artifacts. Walk through streets that look just like they did back then, see the weapons used by the resistance fighters, and listen to stories from people who lived through the uprising. The Warsaw Uprising Museum shows the strength of the human spirit and reminds us how important it is to fight for freedom. When the sun goes down, Warsaw comes to life. It's time to experience the city's exciting nightlife and delicious food. From traditional places serving hearty Polish food to modern restaurants, Warsaw has something for everyone. Start your evening with a shot of Polish vodka, maybe in a cool bar hidden in a cellar or courtyard. Then, try traditional Polish dishes like pierogi, bigos, and potato pancakes. If you want something more modern, Check out the city's growing foodie scene. Whether you like jazz clubs, dance clubs, or relaxed pubs, you'll find the perfect place to enjoy the night. We hope you enjoyed our tour of Warsaw, Poland. From the historical Old Town to the moving Warsaw Uprising Museum, this city has something for every traveler. Remember, this is just a small part of what Warsaw has to offer. So, start planning your trip and experience the magic of Warsaw yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.